Welcome back, YouTubers. So we went to Hot Topic and they were having a really awesome sale. It was buy two, get one free. So we got some pins and I wanted to show you these pins because they're pretty neat. These are Disney pins that they have at Hot Topic. Once in a while you can find some good stuff. And they say Disney on the back, so you can trade these at the park. And these are, I got these, super cute. And a Stitch Tiki God with a pineapple. Got 3 of them because it was buy 2, get 1 free. And Kylie and Kenzie got some of these figural key rings. So, and I got a Stitch one.
You love Stitch.
Yeah, I do.
I hope you get it.
So, any of these would be fun. We're going to open it. I'm going to open it right now.
And I hope you get Leo.
I hope I get Lilo. I hope I get Stitch.
I see Stitch.
Let's see which Stitch I got. He's the alien Stitch. He's so happy and cute.
I feel, ooh.
Yeah.
Wait, is that one the laser
That's
one?
the little laser one. That one.
Yeah, that one's kind of cute.
Cool.
And that one.
Okay, so Kylie, you want to open one?
Yeah. That's Kylie's.
This one's Kylie's? Okay, let me get it.
That's mine.
Alright, here, you rip it. Here, Kenzie, let me get yours.
I hope I get Belle.
You hope you get Belle. Oh, let's look on the back. Who do you hope for?
Mom, I was hoping for Ariel, and I got her.
Ooh, you got Pocahontas.
And look at the flower.
That is so cool, the sunflower. I like her.
And I want the Belle.
You want the Belle? Okay, yours is open, Ken's.
I got Prince Eric.
You got Prince Eric. Wow, that's so cool. I'm going to show the pins one more time. Stay weird.
Do you like him?
Super cute.
No.
Stitch pin.
I do.
I'm going to open this one up.
I'm have mine.
Because it's super awesome.
Kenzie doesn't like
This one's got like a locking back. Military, like locking back. And the back says Disney made in China. So cool.
Mama, I was hoping for Tim or her.
I know, you wanted Beauty or the Beast. Thank you for watching. Head over to Hot Topic and get your buy two, get one free. Like and subscribe.